Birdseye potato waffles, they're waffly versatile. Grill them, bake them, load them, love them, waffly versatile.
So, was it nice at the North Pole?
Well, it's a vast, unspoiled landscape. Incredibly beautiful.
So, why did you leave?
Hello?
Birdseye Potato Waffles, made with real mashed potato. All you need for a great tea time.
Birdseye potato waffles, they're waffly versatile. They go with cheese or piping Mexicano, tuna, eggs on avocado, pulled pork sausage, fish fingers, eggs on bacon. Grill them, bake them, load them, love them. Birdseye potato waffles, they're waffly versatile.
The potato, always popular, occasionally surprising. Take Birdseye Potato Waffles. Fluffy mash made into crisp golden squares with a unique taste not just for kids. They're superb with all the family's favorites. Burgers, egg, beans, lobster.
Lobster?
Well, it's my family favorite. Birdseye Potato Waffles, a tastier variety of potato.
Salutations. Birdseye have requested that I converse with the populace
I've asked him to talk to you
concerning the gastronomic superiority of Birdseye waffles.
about how good the waffles are.
Pulverized solanum tuberosum,
Mashed potato,
sautéed frangible exterior,
crispy coating,
structured into equilateral rectangles.
squares. Superlatively palatable.
Make a meal of it with a Birdseye Potato Waffle.
Birdseye potato waffles are waffly versatile. They go with beans, bangers, bacon, burgers, fish fingers, eggs in, eggs on, yam on, steak chops.
Grill 'em, bake 'em, fry 'em, eat 'em.
Birdseye potato waffles are waffly versatile.
New Birdseye breakfast waffles, they're waffly versatile. They go with jam, wham, bananas, berries, and sweet. And crispy, toast 'em, load 'em, crunch 'em, munch 'em, never boring. Hello morning, Birdseye breakfast waffles, they're waffly versatile.
Your partners, please, for the new Birdseye Potato Waffles Square Dance. Take your waffles by the hand, grill 'em, bake 'em, fry 'em in the pan. They're crisp outside with a fluffy inner, sure to make a tasty dinner. Sausages, eggs, and burgers too. It's up to you, whatever you do. So give the family some my oh my new potato waffles from Birdseye.
New Birdseye Potato Waffles. They make the squarest meals around.
When it comes to food, it just has to be a Birdseye Potato Waffle. It goes with everything, you see. There's chicken and peas, melted cheese, tomatoes, bacon and egg. You can have chili con carne, a jam-packed sarnie, or salad for your Auntie Meg. So, you can eat waffles by the pile, 'cause they're waffly versatile.
Birdseye potato waffles are waffly versatile.
Grill 'em, bake 'em, fry 'em, eat 'em.
Waffly versatile. Birdseye potato waffles are waffly versatile. They go with beans, bangers, bacon, burgers, fish fingers, eggs in, eggs on, yam on, steak chops.
Grill 'em, bake 'em, fry 'em, eat 'em.
Birdseye potato waffles